Ladies and gentlemen, Matthews here from M&O Forex Traders. I'm here again with yet another beautiful, wonderful video for you guys. Today I'm breaking down what happened on USO from the very beginning to where we are right now, where we secured about 1 to 19 risk reward ratio, 6 pips stop loss, and 135 targets. And this just happened today on a Monday. What a beautiful way to start the Monday. So let's go and walk you through what happened in this particular trade, right? So let's start from the forecast. What happened here? Look at this. This was what was happening the other day. I was forecasting and actually made a video when I was looking at Euro NZD, a breakdown of what happened last week, right? So we had a beautiful drop based rally, and you can see that there was a ton of liquidity which was being created right here. Apart from that, we had the Asian session forming, and once we have that, we always wait for the market to come and take out the liquidity. And once that has happened, then we wait for our entry signal, then we execute. This was a beautiful forecast, and we were able to share this in our private community right here. You can see that this was in the mentorship community. This we were able to share this right here before it happened, right? And then when the market came to my area, I was able to share this signal in our signals community right here. As you can see, this was shared right here as a signal in our signals community right here. Unfortunately, I didn't have a laptop with me. I only had the phone, so I was able to share this trade right there, copy it and post it right here in our signals community. And guess what? People were able to take this particular trade, and now look where we at. The market literally went all the way to our take profit. You can see that our take profit was right here, which is a 1 to 19 risk reward ratio right here, stop loss of 6 pips and the target of 135 pips, right? Let me show you. Like always, start from the higher time frame. What is the market telling you on a long-term basis? So from here, you can see that the market has been going to the upside. Therefore, it's only wise for you to start looking for buying opportunities, right? So I was looking for buying opportunities. And then look here, we had a drop based rally. Very clear. Whenever I have that, I get interested, I go to the lower time frame. Now look at what was happening on the lower time frame. Right here, of course, you can't see anything clearly right here, right? So what do? You go to the lower time frame, even further. So let's go to the 15-minute time frame. I show you what I was able to see. Clearly, we had a nice drop based rally. Apart from that, look at the candles that broke structure. Very significant candles that I always look for in the market. So when I saw that, I was like, okay, I'm interested. Guess what? This is an efficient candle, therefore it always attracts price to that particular area. And then we had also this liquidity plus Asian session, which is a perfect combination. So once the market came to my area, let me just show you. The market literally just tapped into my zone. I was like, I'm going in. Therefore, that's the reason why I kind of had a late entry, because look, I had to wait for the candle to close right here. Look at this. We had a nice bullish engulfing pattern. So once I had that confirmed, guess what? I was able to share this in our signals community. Boom. And then people were able to get in. Look, at this particular area, we asked the community to go break even. So we went break even at this particular area. The market kept on going to the upside, and then we were able to trail the stop loss to this particular price point right here. So what is significant about this price point? Let me show you. Right, so let's copy this price point and let's paste it right here. So let's go to the 30 minutes time frame and we paste this right here. So let's just get these two, we put it there, and then let's do this so that I show you what I'm talking about. So we just copy this price point and put it here like that. Let's do this exactly. So the market was, by the time I was telling the community to actually move their break, to move price, to move the stop loss to this particular area, the market was here. So the market was here when I was asking the market to the guys to actually move their stop loss. And then guess what happened? The market started retracing, and then came and took us out from here, which was very sad. I was sad about that because I was taken out from here, and I was able to actually to share in the community that this is where we were taken out from. You can see the market tagged me out at 1 to 3 hour, and this market decided to go all the way to 1 to 19 risk reward ratio. Right? I know some guys who didn't actually maybe get my entry or my chart out. They didn't probably move their stop loss. So if they didn't, then they actually went all the way to 1 to 19, which was very, very good. So this comes down to trade management. So there are different ways of managing the trade, like I always talk about. So there's trading a stop loss and there is taking partials. For me, I like trading my stop loss. However, this can be the downside to trading the stop loss, because sometimes the market will come and take you out and the market continues to go in your direction. So this is how it is. Otherwise, this was a beautiful trade right here. A 1 to 19 risk reward ratio. For those that managed to catch it all the way, congratulations. Myself, and those that managed to just get 1 to 3 or 1 to 5 out of this, better luck next time. Otherwise, this played out amazingly. This was beautiful. So this is what happened on USOIL. A beautiful trade. So other than that, today I was able to actually share another trade. Let me just show you. This is another trade I just shared today. It was NZD USD, beautiful drop based rally, liquidity right here, and I was just waiting for the market to come and take out the liquidity and everything, right? And this was shared in our mentorship community as well, right here as a forecast. And then see what happened, what is happening right now. Let me just show you in a minute. Let me just show you what is happening on NZD USD right now. NZD USD, let's see what is happening right now. I believe it's up like 2 hours or more. Right now it's moving like 1 to 2, 1 to 3 or more. Yeah, this is the one right now. It's also moving beautifully, right? You can see that I was able to enter from here and now the market is there. So far the market has pushed about 1 to 2.6 risk reward ratio, and our target is like 1 to 16 risk reward ratio. Beautiful stuff right here. So you are missing out if you're not part of our M&F mentorship community or signals community, because these things are sent in real time, taking the same trades as you. All right, so if you are interested and if you'd like to join us, the links are down in the description. I really hope you found value in this video. If you have, make sure to subscribe, like the video, or comment in the comment section. Until next time, goodbye.